So industry standard 4-way gas monitor, robust and tough in design should we drop it in the confined space. Brightly coloured so we can locate it should we have dropped it. It should be intrinsically safe, so it should have the EX rating. It'll have a large display screen to give us all the relevant information that we need. And you can see there are 4 filter ports there which should be uncontaminated and unblocked. These filters should be the correct filters for the gases that we're testing. This particular monitor will monitor for oxygen levels, hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, and the flamm levels for methane. We need to make sure we've got the right filters for the gases that we're testing for. So the startup process then. This particular monitor, long press on the main button, listen for the long beep and release. You should get a visual and an audio display to say that the gas monitor's on, and there's a wealth of information that goes across the screen during startup. Once the gas monitor's been through its self-test, it'll settle on this screen, the home screen, denoted by the little house in the bottom left-hand corner. In the top right-hand corner we have OK flashing to let us know that the gas monitor has been through its self-test and that it's ready to use. In the bottom right-hand corner we have a battery indicator to let us know that it's fully charged. Across the screen we have 20.9% for our oxygen levels in the air, and 0 for our hydrogen sulfide, a 0 on carbon monoxide, and a 0 on the flamm levels of methane. This is the readings that we should expect to find in fresh, clean air. To access the menu on this device, we double tap and then single taps to scroll through. You'll notice the icons across the bottom of the screen changing for each tap. As I scroll through, find the icon that I want, double tap, and it seals that mode into the gas monitor. So that's our standard gas monitor. Refer to our other videos on gas check-in and gas monitoring while in the confined space for more details on how to use this correctly.